Well, hi guys. So I'm back with another video, and yeah, today's video is very special to me because I've actually asked my close ones to prepare me questions and what I should be answering in front of you guys. So yeah, let's get started. First question would be, what's the one piece of advice you were given in the past year that has genuinely changed how you look at life? I think there are many advices that I've been given, and well, I can't tell them all. So one advice would be, stop shooting all over yourself. Like what I used to do is, I should always say, I should start this, I should start that, I should start my company, and I should exercise today. However, I have to stop. You start. The time is now, and you'll never get a better chance than now. So I think that was the one piece of advice that I would like to love to share with. Coming on to the next question, that is, what is the daily habit you have adopted that has had the biggest positive impact on your mental health and productivity? So, um, okay, this is the best. Yeah, journaling every day is literally what I call it, a habit. And for me personally, if you say, it has changed, it has actually impacted a lot. And I don't just write, "Hi there, how are you?" and "My day was good" and stuff like that. Well, that comes in the first paragraph. So my end be like, I write down 3 wins that I have had in the entire day. So maybe anything, smallest of the small, the biggest of the big. Like just 3 things. If I've completed a useful or educational video, that's also a win for me. And I think that's great. So moving on to the next question we have. What's a skill or hobby you've always wanted to learn but haven't started yet, and what's holding you back? Well, well, learning how to play guitar. Like, I can't. It's not happening. I think what's holding me back is the time. But honestly, if I say, is the thought of being a beginner all over again. I think that's intimidating. And obviously, the perfect ones obviously had this day, and they were in my face. But what it all took is to start. So I think I should. The third one, I guess, yeah. What's your favorite way to spend your day completely offline, and what makes it so recharging for you? I think the answer would be uh, going for a hike in the forest. There's no tiger and elephants. Place filled with trees and greenery, or going to a riverside, just sitting by and listening to the rhythm of the nature. I guess that would be my recharging place. Well, the fifth question would be, what's a movie or book that you think everyone should experience at least once, and why it resonates so much with you? It would be The Impossible 2012. So yeah, this movie actually is very close to my heart. And the next will be definitely The Notebook. I know many of you all out there have watched this, but oh, it's so good. Like every time I watch it, it's like happy, sad, and then the heart emoji where they have the bandage kind of thing. So that. Okay, coming on to the next question we have. What's your personal definition of success, and how has that definition changed over the past few years? Definition of success. I'll be very honest. For me, before, it used to be money and all the status kind of thing, but at one point of time, you realize that what is actually success is freedom, and freedom is freedom to choose where to work, time for your break and a holiday. stay with people whom you actually want to be around with. So I think if you have these to choose, I think that's freedom, and that's the actual definition of success. Well, coming on to the next question, we have, when you feel overwhelmed or unmotivated, what is the single best thing you do to get back on track? Very nice question. You all should, write it down. We call it a 5 minute rule. So, if there's any task that you're lagging and just getting so hard for you to even start, tell yourself and just give yourself a 5 minute thing, like I'll just do it for 5 minutes, and just sit down with it for 5 minutes and give your whole heart to it, right? Just for 5 minutes, and you see there's a momentum set for you, and you'll actually feel like doing it. So for me, that works. And if there is something else that works for you, give it down in the comment, and I'll be really, really, really appreciating that you actually gave us a tip. So yeah, thank you. That's all for today.